Amid the rapid changes of the 21st century, IEG prepares for the future ahead of our customers while leading the way for changes. IEG specializes in manufacturing and delivering application education and training equipment in a variety of industries, including automation, hydraulic pneumatic, new and renewable energy, electrical electronic, robots, and drone, leading the education equipment and smart factory markets of Industry 4.0. We provide our customers with Facto AI, a smart factory platform that enables product manufacturing at minimal cost and time by combining a comprehensive range of processes, including planning, designing, production, distribution, and with information communications technology based on our extensive expertise in developing education and training equipment. Starting with Gyeongbuk Creative Economy Innovation Center, Korea's first smart factory training center, we are leading the way in advancing the domestic smart factory. IEG is taking a leap forward into global markets while sustaining growth by developing a variety of innovative technologies through our in-house R&D centers and production lines. Leveraging on our long, extensive experiences and technical expertise at home, IEG has successfully exported our education and training equipment to over 20 countries around the world, including Asia, Middle East, and Africa, and provided developing countries with Korea's vocational training system and advanced R&D equipment via the ODA program, playing a pivotal role in promoting our national prestige abroad and exporting technologies. We also customize smart factory technology to make it suitable to local characteristics and deliver reliable solutions and consulting services to help our customers better prepare for the fourth industrial revolution. IEG is committed to creating unprecedented values in an innovative manner for a better tomorrow.